Here's another little look on May the 25th, 2010 of one of the lovely downtown squares in Oviedo, capital of the Spanish province of Asturias. Almost 9 in the morning right now, but it's still very, very quiet. You can see the streets are still almost empty. And this is the way actually down to the cathedral. And I'm going to take you now to the main square with, I think City Hall is on this square and one of the important churches. You can tell this is generally a pedestrian area. Some young kids here waiting to go to school. Here's the witch that I saw yesterday already. I kind of like this one. And lots of retail in this area, bars, tapas places, cidererias, that's where they actually sell the cider. Lovely door, look at that. And after this I'm going to have to race back to my hotel to meet my tour guide because I'm going to get an official tour of Oviedo. But I wanted to show you the view that's going to be coming up here. Give you another view down here. People taking their dogs for a walk in the early morning. Lovely building. Very medieval looking. Have a look at this square here. Isn't that nice? Great view. I think this is San Isidoro Church right here. And a look back at City. No, I don't know if this is City Hall actually, but it's certainly an important building here in downtown Oviedo.